Do you want to pair and connect PS5 controller to Amazon Fire Stick? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: pair and connect PS5 controller to Amazon Fire Stick. From the home screen, navigate to Settings. From the options, select Controllers and Bluetooth devices. Next, go to Game Controllers and select it. Select Add New Game Controllers. Now, it will start searching for the available devices. Take the PS5 controller closer to the Amazon Fire Stick and press the PlayStation button and the Share button simultaneously. The light bar should start blinking now. Now you should be able to see the PS5 controller in the options on your Fire Stick. Using your remote, select the option. Once you select it, you should see that the controller and your device has paired. Now you should be able to use the D-pad to navigate on the screen. And there you have it, the way to pair and connect PS5 controller to Amazon Fire Stick. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.